Hey everyone, this is Quincy, your go-to guy for the latest and greatest in AI technology and web development. Welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button because today I'm going to show you the killer, some killer AI tools that'll not only save you time but also make you lots of money. And without further ado, let's start the video. And today's In today's video, we're gonna focus on an AI video generator. Basically, all you have to do is just drag like the image, and then like drag like a video, and all you have to do is just press generate. The AI software is called like Viggle. I'll show you. Viggle is basically a like it said right here, it's a controllable video generation, and it's powered by JST-1. For now, I don't know what that means, but later on I'll search it up and researched it. And right here, you could see like all you have to do is just put like an image, and then put like a little prompt. All you have to do is just put a little image and type it what to do, and it'll immediately do that action. Here's it. Here's that again. You could put like a video, and it'll copy the video movement. And you can also actually not only do the web version, you can also go to Discord and actually do it over there too. Me personally, I hadn't tried the Discord version yet, but I actually tried the web version too. I'll show you like my work right here. First, you gotta sign in, which I'm already am, and you would see this as your first page. Now, all I have to do is just find any picture that has a character on it. I'll show you. Wait, there is. All right, there you go. Put that image right here. This is the image. Drag it. If you're wondering, I got that image from another AI software where I'm also going to review that later on this week. And also some of the early 80s breakdancing videos as the motion. Oh wait, hang on. I got the same video, but I shortened it a bit. There you go. It takes time to actually load since it's like relatively new. And there you go. This is the video I'm going to base the motion on to this character right here. And right now, all you have to do is just press this generate button, and this character will do the exact movements as these guys over here. Now we wait. I could tell you this. Like the first time I tried this, it it looked a little like blocky and stuff, and like looked like it needed a little bit of editing. But I can promise you this: this will definitely save lots and lots of time, where you don't have to actually hire a bunch of people to do like these synchronized dances, or like, or it doesn't have to be just like breakdancing or anything music related. It could be like cooking related. It could be heck sports related. You don't even have to be in front of the camera. You could actually just pull another video like on the motion and put a different different guy at, put the image on here, put a different guy on the image character, and then like you'll be able to actually pull lots of video without showing your face. And it's right now taking its little time. It usually takes like around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, any day now. Oh, and if you're wondering like where I got that image from, I got that image from like Gen Craft. This is another AI software I'm gonna like review on later on this week. Not only that, you can also change the background colors. As of right now, you can only put white and green. And there's only one model. You can also enhance the quality. And there's also a template where like if you can't find like a video, you could also find like different presets in order to actually see how the character moves. There's even images assets, video assets, and you can also go like to Discord and not only meet up with people that's into this, but you can also do like the same thing here over on Discord. Oh, what you see is already generated by now. So you can see it may not look good like right now because you can see like it's like glitching a little bit, and at one frame you actually saw like the person upside down. But but you can easily edit it just a little bit. And remember, if you enjoy this video, give this video a like, a comment if you and also comment if you want to, if you have any questions about this software, and also give this video a subscribe, give this video a like, and make sure to press the bell if you don't want to miss a video. This is Quincy signing out.